What's up, everybody? Now what I have here, you see what I'm doing? This is straight from the compost pile, mixed in with a bunch of fresh rabbit manure. I'm building me a mound for my watermelons. I'm gonna enter that VW Family Farm watermelon grow-off competition, or whatever you want to call it.
And he thinks he's gonna win.
And I'm gonna beat David Dillon. I got a few tricks up my sleeve. I'm not gonna show y'all what I'm planting. That's secret right there. Top secret stuff. But no, for real, I'm building this mound here of compost, and we're gonna plant watermelons here, and I am gonna enter that. It's been a rough garden year for us. Our greenhouse got destroyed. I probably had 400 or 500 plants get messed up during that, so I'm a little late, but better late than never. So we're gonna see how we do on this. Charlotte's fixing to come over here and saturate this down for me, and we're gonna get it on, build on up, and then I'm gonna pour the plastic over it, and I'm gonna plant my watermelons right here. So it's just a little quick video. But I've had a lot of people ask me if I was going to enter that competition, and I am. Starting today, it is official. David Goodwin will lose to me.
I think David and Chris has got a competition between themselves.
He's going to lose.
Yeah, we don't have
Charlotte
to.
said that there was a three prize thing for the top 3 people or whatever, but I told him my watermelon's going to be so big, I'm going to win all top 3.
We don't have to beat anybody else. We just got to beat each other.
Oh my goodness.
But we're going to beat everybody. Well,
I'm going to beat David.
No, I'm going to beat Chris.
He's already admitting defeat off camera up here. Y'all just hadn't heard
He's lying. He's lying.
So, God bless y'all. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.